Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a course, add jumps, move the track around, all the things that allow you to experiment as a course designer or make last-minute changes. There are 4 ways to create your initial track. The first is to draw it with the Draw Track tool straight onto the satellite map in the toolkit. You can import a KML track from a program such as Google Earth. You can duplicate a course from previous years, or you can drive or walk around the course and map it with GPS using the cross-country mobile app and then upload it to the toolkit. I've got my track here, which has been mapped out, and it has the fixed jumps added to it. And I'm going to add in some more jumps. So I'll use the Add Marker tool and then just select the position on the track where you want to add your jumps and hit enter on the keyboard to save your changes. You'll see that the efforts count has updated in the bottom left corner, and the renumber button has also become active to remind you there's jumps that need renumbering. So I'll click that and it's renumbered 12 jumps. You can move jumps along the track as well. Select the hand tool and click and drag the markers along the track. You can also change jumps into ABs. To do that, click the jump and then type in the ABCs into the number. And you can also add in your fence names and comments for your course builder. Course builders tell us it's really handy to have a photo of the fence to help for communication and building the course. So if you click the Media tab, you can add in your photos here. I'm going to drag in a picture of a roll top and click Save. Now, I've got a handy tip here. If we go back out into the course details and click on the Advanced tab, you can download all the images from a course as a zip file. So this is really handy if you want to download all the course pictures from previous years, and then you can store them in folders for each height on your computer. And then you've got a handy reference to remind you of all the fences that you have. So let's go back into the Edit tool. I'm going to add a waypoint. To do that, I will use the Add Marker tool and then select it, and you'll see up here to the right, you can change the property of a jump to be a compulsory passage or a waypoint. Waypoints are handy for marking ground that needs fixing or tree branches that need trimming, for example. You can also delete a fence with the trash tool. Just select the fence to delete. So now I'm going to edit the track. Now there's 2 ways to do this. If you're just simply dragging a loop, then you can select the drag track tool and then just select a point on the track that you want to pull out. There we go. And that's how you can extend the track or move it slightly. If you want to do something a bit more complex, then I recommend using the Draw Track tool. This is handy if you want to draw a loop, for example. So select a position on the track, and then you can just click to add in the GPS points. And then select the position on the track where you want to rejoin and hit enter. And you'll see that the distance has also updated in the bottom left corner. So this is really handy for experimenting with where you want the track to go and making sure you still have this distance that you need. I'm going to use the eraser tool now to shorten my start. Select the eraser and then select the start and select the point you want to move it to and hit enter, and then it will move the start there. You can do the same with the finish. And if you want to straighten out a portion of the track, then you can also use the eraser tool for that. For example, maybe I just want to erase this little clip here, and that's straightened it out. These amazing tools are all free to try, so please go ahead and explore.